Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY Amadiva, which is Lisa. Each week we have a theme. This week's theme is book. Next week's theme will be picnic, so whatever your interpretation of a picnic, you may use it. We also enter our projects into hashtag #SatMoreMakes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and all of the ladies' links will be down below. So this week I pulled out the Cottage Cuts Bible with Lilies, but I'm just using the Bible part as a book. And then also from Hero Arts, I'm using Enjoy the Journey. CC Designs, I'm using these little glasses right there from We Are Memory Keepers. I am using just the outer part of that, and then Concord and Ninth, that's what I use to lay in the inside of it. And this is called Snowfall. The Concord and Ninth was called Stitch Card, I believe. And then CC Designs again, and I'm using the letters up here. And then My Creative Time, I'm using these label dies, and these are retired, so I don't believe they are in the store. And here goes this cute little card that I made. I thought I would use that Bible from Cottage Cuts and just use the book part of it. Turned out perfect. I didn't even realize it was like that, so I didn't realize there was pieces that I could just use of that Bible. So I used it as a book, and I put a little bit of vellum in the inside of the glasses, and I layered up the glasses 3 times so it could have a little bit of height, but you can definitely see behind that, and that's what I was trying to display with the glasses. And as you can see, I have that background die back there from Concord and Ninth, but I thought this turned out just perfect. And then I wanted to alternate the colors of the letters for the read versus the book. So I thought everything looks pretty good there. I really like it. And then there goes the inside of the card. So I thought that was perfect for books. That was perfect because my daughter likes to read, so I thought maybe I would give her a gift card to one of the bookstores here in town. All right, so that's all I have for you. Make sure you use our hashtag 2crafters1design, or Jillian Norwood's hashtag, which is hashtag #SatMoreMakes. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.